हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम आफ्ताब है। आज का वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। टुडे विल बी लर्निंग हाउ अ स्टॉक और अ शेयर moves up or down in its value. So we'll see what happens.
Okay, so here we have HDFC Bank Limited open here. Look at it, what a beautiful stock. So in 2020, around this time, it was trading at 1112, around 1100, and it's now reached to 1500. Oh, what a return. So yeah, we'll talk about return in a later video. In this video, we are going to talk about demand and supply. So these are the two forces which decide the price of a stock, the current price of a stock. Okay, so we can see here a high price which is 1641 and a low price which is 1025 rupees. So what decides these prices? So two forces, demand and supply. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू वांट टू बाय अनियंस, आपको प्याज खरीदना है, आप मार्केट में गए, आपने प्याज खरीदने के लिए वेंडर को पूछा आज का प्राइस क्या है, उसने बोला 50 रुपये किलो. So 50 rupees kg you buy the onion and you come home. You go after 1 week to buy some more onions. The price is 60 rupees kg now. So why is the price risen? Because the supply of onion in the market is low. So that's why the price has gone up, because it's the law of demand that if anything is in demand and the supply is lower, the price will go higher. This is the law of demand. That's how the price of a stock is determined as well. What happens is, when sellers are not willing to sell more but buyers want to buy, so that piles up the demand for a stock, and whatever is in demand, whatever's demand is more, its price increases. So that's how the price from 1100 to 1500, because of demand and other factors come into place as well, like company performance, how the company has performed, if it is performing good, if it is generating good profits, if it is giving good revenues, it will gain a stock price. And for the contrary, the price getting lowered, what happens is the opposite thing. Someone wants to sell it, someone doesn't want to retain that stock, and demand is low. So if someone wants to sell a thing to you and you don't want it, he'll lower the price and he'll again lower the price so that you are compelled to buy it. So that's how the price goes down. So similarly, here for a stock, what happens is, people, if they are willing to buy more of a stock and sellers are willing to sell less of it, the demand is high. So the price will go up, so that the seller is compelled to sell it and the buyer then buys it. So demand is high, supply is low, price goes up. Demand is low, supply is high, price goes down. As simple as that.
So that is how the prices fluctuate in the market. Uh, Buyers want to buy more, the price will go up. Sellers want to sell more, price will go down. One more thing, please do like the video. It will motivate me to make more videos for you. And also comment down your questions if you have any, and I'll surely try to answer them. Thank you.